Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A57s, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere in here hopefully you can find your Do Not Disturb toggle. If you can't, which looks to be the case for me, you want to press right here on this little square, and you will be able to find your Do Not Disturb mode somewhere right here, which for me is exactly here. Click on the plus, it will get added to your list, and now you can access it whenever you need it. Now when interacting with this the first time around, I recommend holding this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it actually functions. So we have a couple settings in here, but I'll touch upon just like the most important one, which would be things like allow calls from, so you can select who can call you and who can message you when the mode is enabled, and also you can set up a schedule, meaning you just don't need to do literally anything after the setup, just enable it in here and you're basically done. It will turn on and off automatically at a provided time and day of the week. But for everybody else that wants to utilize Do Not Disturb mode manually at just random moments in time, then all you need to do is just pull down your notification panel once more, find the toggle, click on it, select turn on, and you can see that's this little moon icon right here, and it is right now running with the settings that I have chosen. And once you're done with it, if you're doing this manually, I do recommend to try and remember to turn it off. Otherwise it might be just running indefinitely in your background, meaning that whoever you have selected that can call you, settings will basically become your permanent as long as the mode is enabled. So yeah. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.